MXGP conditions today, Reedy. What are you thinking, bro?
I'm thinking we're gonna have a fucking good day. Huh? A little bit of precipitation today.
Precipitation doesn't matter when you got the ARB, bro. Absolute setup.
Full camping pro setup.
Let's see what's inside.
Catch me outside with my ARB.
Oh, the big 4-fit trail mitt. God damn.
I'm actually tempted to get the other one out and go that way.
Oh, you got like the little angle at the side bit. Yeah,
I got the little...
it's cracker.
I don't know.
Oh, it should be right, bro. Like, we're clearing up out there. So, for a bit of backstory, it's been pissing down for the last 2 hours. We're running it, but the motor's getting run. We're just setting up. A and B are out first. And we're kitting up. You know, fucking slowest C grade right here, brother. Look at the fresh pieces on the Kato, mate. Seat cover. There's some pegs happening. Some grip. Oh, shit, bro. Yeah, the fresh shoes, bro.
How's the
fresh rubber.
Look at them bad boys.
Yeah, bro. Not slipping off them, I hope, anyway. Fresh rubber front and back. Levers. I'm just putting air in. Grips.
You know it's going to be a good day when you pick two different hubs out?
Yeah.
Well, actually, not the same one.
I actually have one metal collection one up there if you want to.
Stop it.
For the field.
Do you actually?
Yeah. This one's for the kings out there. You know what it is.
So we just watched Jake struggle 15 minutes.
Yeah, kept on feeling off.
Struggle?
He's like,
And there's something inside that'll speak for itself. But the child out there, it's really something else. I started this day by knowing what I felt. I'm full of my dreams and the cards I'm dealt. I'll push for the truth and the pressure inside won't cave my will like another cheap fight. I'll build my home on a life that's right. I've stepped in and rain, my blood's a light. I'm burning their show at my place tonight. My brothers ain't know how to jump all night. Spinning up in the city, never running on time. Now jumping in the car, bang, filling our minds. Where the good young man, not jacking our lives. Been working all week, heavy labor on the grind. Knowing well how to play, but committed to a life that's real every day. Going home to your wife or knocking off work in the body, your mind in between your dreams. I take a inside, come start with a vision. Ain't blurring no drive, dedicate yourself, my brother and son.
Off the track, boy.
Hell yeah.
Oh, this is not good, mate. This is a full mutter.
Another song inside that'll speak for itself. With a child out there, it's really something else. I started this day by knowing what I felt. I'm full of my dreams and the cards I dealt. Man, put it on me and I'll go in a towel. I'ma make it all happen if I don't know how. I'ma learn what I need and I die right now. Picking up the pieces and going all out. Never steady with the throttle like a sailor down south. I was built out of wounds and a fucking five mouth. At a table on blue, I'm settling down. Level headed at best, but I never ran now. For giving up a dream, not being too loud. What it is to me, my genuine sound. No authentic as fuck, and I'm goddamn proud. Don't tell me what I'm not going to get my crown. Get my. Go and get my. Go and get my crown. Another song inside that'll speak for itself. But the child that bitch, it's really something else. I started this day by knowing what I felt. I'm full of my dreams and the cards I dealt. I am what I am, man, what I'm meant to be. Don't be such a critic if you ain't feeling me. I'm a wide boy rapper who's even read me. Honest as fuck, can believe in what I say, man. Too many people now get around here that copying trends of being in a risk for an Instagram pic with a Porsche in the rear. I like to send a message and make it real clear. Say I know my life ain't glitter and gold, and when I'm at work I still do what I'm told. Knowing my place, but the cars don't fold. I'm betting on a dream that can't be sold. I made it myself, probably why I'm cold. The reason I'm here is what I hold. I made it myself, probably why I'm cold. The reason I'm here is what I hold. Hell yeah, baby. Hell yeah, baby.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
Another song inside that'll speak for itself. But the channel that bitch, it's really something else. I started this day by
in the mud. Oh. 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 The grit's falling off. Oh, I'm filthy, bro. Where's the kill switch? Oh, this is fucked, bro. Get me home. Really?
Yeah, boys. Come on now. Big vibing in here. I can't just kill the track like that. I gotta kill it like this.
Oh, the inside's not in.
I am what I am, what I'm meant to be. Don't be such a critic if you ain't feeling me. I'ma bring the fresh air from the paddock to the scene. And dropping my smile like, hey, how you been? No, all the boss man got raised in the streets. Me and my boys rode bikes in the heat. Shoveling shots between all the trees. Reality to me, man, now is the dream. Look at the hard time in the world that I be. I'm switching up the culture, what I like to see. I'm sticking me a minute, but I'm playing in the city. I'm not doing nothing in this. It's time to believe that the man in the world just wanna be free. Live like a king, be heard, be seen. Respect for the grind and work as a team. The stereotypes are just ain't what it seems. Yeah.
Gotta stack it on the off-ramp, bro. Holy shit.
Come on now.
Holy shit. That is fun.
That feels good, right?
Oh my god, man.
You feel that shit? Cause I do.
Oh, I'm filthy. Buckles
That one's for
undone.
the kings out there. Keep your head up.
Looks like I've just done a full MXGP, bro. Oh my god. Oh, my collarbone's actually sore as fuck. What do you do? First proper stack. Where are we? Look at that, bro. On the hangers. Bro, I'm not, the 2 laps, that's it. I'm not going back out there, no way, lad. No fucking way. I thought I was riding good last time I come in. That fucking humbled me, bro. Oh, where are we? Look at this. Oh, that's fucked. That's, what's meant to look like, kind of, but. Fuck, lad. Big clean up ahead. Got the post-game report, shared over a couple Krispy Kremes. How was it, Jace?
About as good as this fucking donut.
Oh!
No,
Can I have that one?
you can have both of them.
Oh, bro. You're a man.
Look at that. Happy days.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
At least I'm able to drive my own car out of here. Delicious.